Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Ashley and I am a fashion and lifestyle content creator. And if you know me, then you know that I am a shoe fanatic. I crease my shoes, I dirty my shoes, I wear the fuck out of my shoes. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to clean your shoes. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and continue watching this video. Before starting off with this video, I do want to say that there's a lot of techniques on how people clean their shoes. This is how I personally clean my shoes. So if you know someone that uses a different technique, that is totally fine. I'm just showing you guys my way. I have a lot of hyped up sneakers that I wear literally all the time. And I'm going to show you guys how I clean it. I want to thank Factory Lace for sponsoring this video. Right here I have the Factory Lace shoe cleaning kit, and it comes with so many products. So the first thing that you have is a shoe cleaner, and I think it's really important to have a really good shoe cleaner that is specific for the material of shoes that you do have. I know that a lot of people just use like laundry soap. Depending on what shoe you do have, it could be really bad for the material, so I highly recommend actually getting a shoe cleaner. The next thing that comes into the kit are 3 brushes. So you have 3 different bristles. You have a soft one, a stiff one, as well as a really hard one. You also get another brush that is 2-sided and has a handle on it. Factory Lace also has a collapsible bowl, which I thought was really cool. So you can take it on the go, you can pack it in your backpack. They also have a microfiber cloth, which is actually pretty big and thick, not gonna lie. And Factory Lace also has shoe trees that are adjustable. I am a 5Y, 5 men's. That's all that I have in my Factory Lace box. Thank you again, Factory Lace, for sponsoring today's video. And I feel like I'm rambling. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I clean my sneakers. The shoe that I am going to clean up today are actually going to be these pair of dunks right here. And when I tell you I wore them all day today, ooh, they're so dirty. They're so dirty and they're kind of creased up, not gonna lie. But I'm not tripping, to be honest, because I already knew that I was gonna go clean them, so that's why I wore them all day. This is how they look currently. Not that bad, but pretty worn, especially the bottoms. So the first step of how I clean my shoes is actually get the bowl and put some lukewarm water in it. I just filled it up to the first line, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab my sneaker solution and dilute it with the water. I'm not gonna put too much in there, just enough to clean the shoes with. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean it with the soft bristle brush. Once you mix that in, you want to go ahead and grab your shoe and take off the laces. Laces are going to be cleaned separately. I'm actually scared to take them off because I'm not too sure if I know how to relace them correctly. I don't know if it's just me or if you guys have this problem as well. Definitely let me know in the comments so I don't feel bad. So I'm going to go ahead and get my cleaning solution and the brush. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it together like so. I'm gonna go ahead and put the cleaning solution right here just so I have it like on hand. I would just go ahead and start from the inner of the shoe and then go in circular motions. The more it's foaming up, the better it is. So I'm going in circular motions all around the shoe like so. I'm not really getting the soles just yet, just because I want to use a different brush for that. You want to make sure that you're picking up the dirt that is on the shoe. Guys, I know a lot of people don't wear the shoes because they are scared to dirty them up, but honestly, if you take really good care of your shoes, I don't see a problem with it being dirty as long as like you clean them. Once your shoe is foamed up like so, hopefully the camera picks up like the foam that's on the shoe. This shoe is lighter, so I don't think you can really see the foam that is on there. I'm gonna go ahead and get the Factory Lace cloth and wipe off the foam. And wiping that off. I love how this shoe cleaner actually foams up. I'm not too sure if you can see it on camera, but it's foaming up a lot. So with the soles, I'm going to go ahead and use the stiff brush, which is this white one right here. And I'm going to go ahead and clean the soles and attempt to clean the bottom. So I'm not going to go that hard into it because I don't want to ruin the shoe itself. For the moment of truth, I'm going to go ahead and clean the bottoms. And remember, don't do it too rough. But using the same circular motion as the body of the shoe, I am doing that on the bottom as well. The bottoms of the shoe can be tricky because you don't know what you're stepping on, and sometimes you step on gum. It happens to the best of us, trust me. As well as like rocks or like gravel that gets stuck between the little crevices. But if you do, just go ahead and grab like a pencil or a needle. Be careful with the needle though, and just take it out. It's simple like that. This is with only 1 pass. I'm gonna go ahead again and do it with 2 passes. Okay, I did not forget about the laces, I swear. For the laces, honestly, since they're not dirty, I feel like I am just gonna go slap it on to the shoe. If you are gonna clean your laces, you can go ahead and soak them in a shoe cleaner. You can make a ratio between water and a shoe cleaner in a bowl and soak your shoelaces if they are dirty. The shoe cleaner that I have works wonders. This is the before and after of the bottoms. Obviously, the bottoms are gonna be dirty. Well, I mean, these shoes are gonna be on your feet and you guys are walking on everything. But look how dramatic the before and after is for the bottoms of just 2 swipes. This is how the clean shoe looks. Really clean. I got whatever that was on the sole off. I'm honestly really impressed with the shoe cleaner. I am gonna go ahead and put a shoe treat in here just because I did crease a little bit of my shoe. Guys, shut up. I like lace these perfectly. Like, look, I think this is like the best lacing I've ever done. What? Ah! Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the shoe tree on there. I'm gonna show you guys that you can actually adjust them. So the shoe tree looks like this. Again, I'm a 5Y. There are a lot of holes on the side that you can adjust the shoe to. You're gonna go ahead and pinch it like this. Once you pinch it, you can actually adjust it to like a different hole. I'm gonna go ahead and slip it inside the shoe. Hopefully these are gonna help with the creasing that I have done. Don't hate me. Hey guys, these are the finished outcome of the shoes. Honestly, I feel like these shoes weren't really that dirty, just the bottoms. But honestly, they did a pretty good job. Looking at the bottoms, the before and after, there is a big difference. And guys, wait until I show you guys my rag. The rag looks like this. So my shoe is definitely dirty, but this is how it looks after. They look so good. I'm gonna go ahead and put them right here where they belong. But regardless, I hope this guys gave you a little bit more insight of how I clean my shoes personally. If you liked today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Stay tuned for more sneaker videos. If you guys like this video, don't forget to see my sneaker collection of 2021, which was last year. If you guys had the time, I really appreciate it if you guys watched that one after this one. But yeah, I hope you guys liked today's video. Don't forget to follow my socials on everything. Thank you again to Factory Lace for sponsoring today's video. If you guys want to get your Factory Lace shoe cleaner, definitely click the link down below. And yeah, I think that's it. See you guys next time. Bye!